Tired of competing with hundreds of applicants for the same job? What if I told you there's a secret job market where you can find amazing exclusive opportunities with less competition? In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you how to unlock the hidden job market and discover roles that never even get posted online. The reality is that more than ever, companies fill positions through networking and referrals rather than the job boards. So this is the hidden job market, and it's where you'll find some of the more exciting and rewarding roles. In fact, studies show that a significant percentage of jobs, some are estimating as high as 80%, are filled through networking. That means many prime opportunities may never even be advertised publicly. Okay, so networking and relationships. Building genuine connections with people in the industry is what you need to do. Attend events if you can, join online communities and be active in them, and reach out to professionals you admire. You never know who might have the inside scoop on a position that is just for you. They're probably, working with people that need someone like you. So they're helping two people out. So don't feel shy to network on LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to help you if you're shy. I've seen a lot of jobs get had through networking. So you got to do it. Okay, I really want you to get out of this bad slump that you're in, because why would you be watching this video if you weren't? It's a really tough job market. So you're the product and you're going to need to sell it. Okay, so I'm giving you basically skills on how to sell yourself. One time I helped a longtime friend from elementary school land a Unix admin job at a company that was looking for a specific cultural fit, and I put them together and everyone won. I even got a little kickback out of it. So, everyone wins. But I've helped other people that I didn't get any kickback from. And that's, what you want. You need to network with people. And there's still referral bonuses going on at companies. So if you contact somebody that is, dotted line to the department you want to get into, contact them on LinkedIn and just do these open-ended, light, airy, casual connection requests, okay? Don't ask them for informational interviews. No one's going to give you one. And if they do, why are they wasting so much time? Don't they have to do? Okay. And let's see, another time I helped a female Unix admin find a fantastic role at a cutting edge technology company in Mountain View. She was looking for a company with a strong IT department that was fun and collaborative. And sure enough, I matched them together. I've put so many people together. I've changed people's lives. People get a house, they get a job, they get married and have kids. I'm in the top of all changes in life. I'm involved in that. So, I really come with a lot of experience. So I'm really here to help you. I hope you could feel that. So on direct outreach, instead of asking for general information interviews, take a more proactive approach. Don't hesitate to contact hiring managers or decision makers at your target companies, even if they're not actively hiring. See, this is where you uncover the hidden jobs. Ping them anyways. If you already identified their great company, there's a department there that looks like you could fit and work well and be proactive and add to their bottom line. They need you, right? So you need to contact those people. Express your interest in working for them. Highlight your relevant skills and inquire about potential opportunities that are either on the table now or in the near future. Remember, referred candidates are 5 times more likely to be hired than those that don't have a referral. So it really makes a huge difference if you do that light networking. So regularly check movement is going on with them. Are they hiring a lot of people? Are they not? Keep going back to their sites. And if you see some posts that they do, like the company did a milestone, use that as a topic to write a connection request with. I want to connect with you. I saw that your company just reached the 1 million products sold milestone. I have these relevant skills and I'd really like an opportunity to work for your company. Any openings coming up? Anyone you can connect me with? That's all you need to write. And you'll be surprised. People will want to help you. There's a lot that won't, but there are some that will. Remember, you're the product. This is a sales game. Sales is hard. You only need one, right? You only need one. Focus on building relationships with people that have power and influence over hiring decisions. Or, and the influence is the people that are down on the bottom that could always put your resume up in the escalation, level up, right, to get reviewed. So look at the structure of the company, find maybe 3 targets, and send them individual messages. Okay, you get 300 characters to write a LinkedIn invite. You get 100 of those a week to send out. If you're using the paid LinkedIn Navigator, you have 250 of those that you can send out a week. 100 is a lot. Just send out 20 a day. 20 a day. Do you think you could do that? I think you can. Okay. So if you're ready to ditch the easy apply button and take charge of your job search, my upcoming Job Hunter Pro program can help you. I'll teach you proven strategies for networking, even if you're shy, crafting compelling outreach messages, and uncovering hidden opportunities. It's time to stop waiting and start creating your own luck. Okay? Do you hear me on that? It's time to stop waiting and create your own luck. Now that you know how to find hidden job openings, the next step is making sure your resume grabs attention. In my next video, I'll share insider tips on crafting a resume that gets noticed and lands you interviews. These strategies will help you present your best self and increase your chances of success. Don't miss it. Ciao, ciao for now.